There's a doctor in the house? Hey YouTube man, it's Galvatron here, the freaking self. Today we're gonna review Transforming the movie, Studio Series A6 23 Autobot Ratchet. Here we are, and there he is. And full form, always look at a quick passing there. Studio Series A6 23 Autobot Ratchet. It's Autobot Ratchet. Autobot Ratchet again. So the Autobot Ratchet. He is Voyager class. Classic Voyager. Voyager Class A. Classic Voyager. Classic Voyager. And back there. And 25 step. And Decepticon shell ambush. And biggest scream is Ratchet, Autobot Ratchet, Transform the movie. And warning, small part for you. And back bottom there, a barcode. And languages, hooray! And that's basically it for the action. Move. Hold on. Anyway, sorry about that. Move line there. We bring in Ratchet, Autobot Ratchet, and he is an ambulance. And look at. Quick look. Yeah. It's all about symbol. He's an ambulance. Yeah, got black wheel and silver plate. Got a white bar. Whoa. Take it out. Down here and put it back in, and he is the retool of Studio Series for the class Ironhide. I might get Ironhide for the class Studio Series. And I might get those eBay or Earthrise Prowl. Hey, hero. Get back here. And got the 6 windshield side and one the front windshield. The side light bar, I took it off. No windshield in the back, just a white one. And nothing right to the back. Yeah. Now get a comparison. Here he is with Wheeljack. And here he is with Studio Series Brawl. A6 Brawl. And here he is with Earthrise Prime. I don't have no Earthrise Ratchet. Sorry. And now for the accessory. What? Come with a 2 blaster fat. And those pegs might go right here. And hold on a second, check out the blaster fat. There. Now put the blaster and bring the booster of boom. And that's it for that. And now let's get for transformation, shall we? Let's. First, we gotta start with that. Open. Well, first thing, we gotta start to the front. Come on. I know what we're gonna do with this. What we gotta do with leg and take this off, and now pull this up. And for the feet, and now for the arm, this is way too tight. Ah! Come on, walk with me. There. All you gotta do, take this, close this thing, and saying the best, always take this, fold it, and now take this on, put this on down. And now that, and turn this around, and click this peg and open it out, and take this head out, and we done? Yes, we done. Woo! We done. There you have Autobot Ratchet in his robot mode. He is the toughest medic of robots. And look at the Nuggy head skull. And got the Autobot symbol, the medic. And his chest, the windshield. And got the goes in red skull, got red hand and fist. And got the helmet, a black one. Like the Wolverine. with his feet, with his back. Yes. Oh. Now on his articulation wide, his head on his swivel joint is look up and down, and shoulder swivel joint and shoulder joint, and his arm has swivel joint and elbow joint, and got wrist rotation swivel, and his kick forward, the feet joint, got a leg and swivel, no feet swivel, and got a knee joint vice grip, and leg is split sideways, and his torso has swivel, and that's it for the articulation. Now for the accessory, came with 2 blasters, and put a pew pew bang, pew 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 bang bang, pew pew bang 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 bang. And don't forget, his boots are compatible, and carry all the time he stand. Come on, stand, Ratchet. He was of the blues. There you go. Now for the comparison, here we is with Bra, and here it is with Wheeljack. Sorry, that's my bandages with my napkin. I don't have no band-aid. Anyway, here it is with Earthrise Prime. And there you go. Now for the display then of Shuttle. They're ready to get murdered by Decepticon and the Autobot Shuttle. Now get the final thought. The final thought. So, you can look at the Studio Series playlist and some more. And so, and this is the Voyager class Studio Series Autobot Ratchet and so sorry, that was stopping. Sorry about that. That was my turntable stopping. Anyway, this is Autobot Voyager class Ratchet Studio Series A623, and so look. Don't forget the bell icon notification. Click the link down cushion down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And so you stop playing toys, you grow, you stop playing toys, be geek, be proud, and we roll it out.